Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the OnePlus Nord 2 device. The Realme X7 Pro has got the Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset and the OnePlus Nord has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Let's see in this kind of speed test and the RAM management test which phone will be having what kind of performance level. So first let's start with the basic test, which is the reboot test. Let's try to do the reboot first. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. And during this process of demonstration, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. No, I'm not using, because few of the users, they want to see without using high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2, can it be very good in the RAM management or not? Because I'm getting this kind of comments saying that do not turn on the high performance mode during this time of demonstration, which causes the limits to resources only to certain games, as you can see. Not only one comment, I did get plenty of comments, but still I just want to mention you that in this video, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, just to see what is happening. Will it affect any kind of difference or not? Will it make any change in the OnePlus Nord 2 or not? The Realme X7 Pro did turn on the phone first, as you can see exactly before the OnePlus Nord 2. So OnePlus Nord 2 is taking its own time. So first let me try to clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely clean in the Realme X7 Pro device. And the Realme X7 Pro, I'm running a version about Realme 2.0 and the Android 11. So this is something which I thought of just mentioning, and 8GB RAM variants. So both are completely 8GB RAM variants only in this process of demonstration. That's perfectly done. And in the OnePlus Nord 2, let me try to show you exactly. Yes, right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is taking a lot of time to boot up and start. Finally, it's here. Let me try to go back. Sorry. Go to the settings first, and I'll try to show you exactly what is the model I'm trying to use. I'm using the 8GB model, as you can see, 8GB variant. That's good. And let's go to the battery, and high performance mode is not on during this process of demonstration, as you can see clearly. Let me do it clear all the background applications. All the background applications and games completely clean. Now let's see Dimensity 1000 Plus versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. So how much difference will it be there between these games while it's opening? That is what I'm going to exactly check. So let's start with the first game, which is Angry Birds. Sorry, a Subway Surf. As you can see, friends, no Wi-Fi and all background applications are completely clean in both phones. So let's start the test with the Subway Surf first. Let's see Dimensity 1000 Plus versus Dimensity 1200. Yes, Dimensity 1200 did open faster, not bad. Next is Candy Crush. So Candy Crush, let's see friends, which phone can actually open faster. The OnePlus Nord 2 did open the game faster, not bad. And this is another game, Getaway 2. Let's see. Again, the Dimensity 1200 is faster. You can see friends clearly how much difference. I just want to see how many seconds it will be kind of difference. I can see this is not a close call, maybe close to 1 to 2 seconds of difference is there. Not neck to neck. It's not neck to neck. Only few games they are neck to neck, but most of the heavy games, then we'll be able to understand heavy games when we try to do I'll try to do the heavy games comparison very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. Now finally, Crossy Roads. Let's see this game. I think the Dimensity 1200 did open slightly faster, a little bit. And sorry, this game did not open at the same time. Sorry, my bad. And let's see now, Traffic Rider. Not bad. The Realme X7 Pro did show the start, but I did not click it. But I'll try to keep this in the background memory, this game. So both games are open in both phones. Next is Hill Climb Racing. Let's see. So OnePlus Nord 2, I think it's kind of doing better job. The OnePlus Nord 2, you can see friends clearly. Not bad. The OnePlus Nord 2, yes. So next is Angry Birds. Angry Birds, I think OnePlus Nord 2 maybe. Yes, as you can see the difference. OnePlus Nord 2 did open the Angry Birds first, then the Realme X7 Pro. Not bad. And now let me try to go back to the home screen. And next final game, which is Stake Ball. So this is the final game. So 10 games, only 10 games. That's the limit. So if the 10 games, any phone passes the test, then I'll try to do the more games and more applications testings as well soon. Right now, as you can see, friends, all the 10 games are completely open in the background memory. That's fantastic. So now let's start from the back side. Let's see how many games can the phone store in the background memory. And I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, nothing at all. No. And let's try to go to the next application. Not bad. So 4 games and 5 games. So 5 games till here did open in both phones. Absolutely, that's brilliant. Now let's move to the next 6th game, which is a Smash Hit. Let me show you from the multitasking. Let's see. So this is going to be really great. Let's see which phone is really optimized to open 6 games. Both phones got stuck. That's it. So both phones are getting reloaded, as you can see friends, exactly in the 6th game. As soon as, so 5 games they are trying to keep in the background memory, not more than that, but I'm not sure why. But this doesn't apply for the applications. Applications is different. I'll try to do the application test as soon as possible, so stay tuned for these videos. As you can see, the Temple Run also getting reloaded, and Gateway to this game also getting reloaded, as you can see friends, exactly. Even the Candy Crush also getting reloaded. Yes, so only 5 games I think the phone can actually store in the memory. That is what I think. So 5 to 6 games maybe at this moment. But I'll try to do the application speed test. In the application speed test, you might be able to understand a little bit kind of more difference in the applications when I try to do. Let's see, this game closed. As soon as you open this, I did open the 5 games on the top row, and the bottom row completely got deleted from the background memory, as you can see clearly. Yes, exactly. So in terms of the speed test, the OnePlus Nord 2 is a clear winner. Yes, it's a clear winner. And in terms of the RAM management test, both are kind of same. So both phones did not perform that great in the RAM management, storing more games in the background. So both phones stored only 5 games. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.